The Iron Company Workers' Cottage, located at 40 Wilbur Street in the Old Town neighborhood of Lake Oswego, is historically significant for its association with Oregon's pioneer iron industry. When iron was discovered near Oswego in 1861, a group of leading Portland capitalists seized on the opportunity to build the first iron smelting furnace on the Pacific coast. Prior to 1867, all iron on the West Coast was imported. Rent for a cottage was $5 a month. Employees in all branches of the industry, miners, colliers, and furnace workers, lived in the cottages. Cottage is a small single-story house located on a 0.11-acre parcel in the Old Town neighborhood. Landscape features include mature trees and a picket fence separating the parcel from the street. The house has a rectangular footprint, a gable roof with very narrow eaves, a full-width shed addition on the rear or south side of the house, and a full-width shed-roofed porch on the main or north facade. The house was built using vertical or box framing. It rests on a post-and-pier foundation and is clad on the exterior with drop siding. Composition shingles make up the roof, and a narrow brick chimney with a corbelled cap rises from the ridge near the center of the house. The house is lit with 4/4 double-hung windows. Vertical plank construction or box framing was popular between 1840 and 1880 for inexpensive tenant houses at mines, farms, and lumber camps where there was a demand for quick and inexpensive housing. This construction method required less skill than timber or stud wall framing. The city of Lake Oswego undertook a significant three-phase project to restore the ironworkers' cottage, recognizing its historical importance as one of the last remaining examples of workers' housing from the town's iron industry era. The city purchased the cottage in 2003 with the specific intention of preserving this vital piece of local history. The restoration project was funded through a hotel motel tax and a $30,000 historic preservation grant from the Kinsman Foundation received in 2011. This photograph exhibits the technique used for stabilizing the foundation. This photograph exhibits the construction of the cottage. It had no frame. Instead, the walls were made up of vertical planks nailed to a sill beam at the bottom and top plate. The plank walls alone bear the weight of the roof, and the walls were then covered on the outside with siding and the interior with plaster. Following the completion of the restoration in January 2017, the City of Lake Oswego entered into a lease agreement with the Lake Oswego Preservation Society. The Preservation Society now occupies the cottage and operates it as the Iron Workers Museum, which opened to the public in April of 2017. The museum features exhibits about the iron industry in Lake Oswego and displays artifacts owned by both the city and the Preservation Society. Admission is free. The restoration of the Ironworkers Cottage by the City of Lake Oswego is a testament to the community's commitment in preserving its unique history and serves as an important educational resource and a tangible link to Lake Oswego's industrial past.